What's up, guys? Welcome back to Pete's Performance. Today we're gonna work on my Checkmate speedboat that I got for free a little while ago off a guy. Heck of a deal, couldn't pass that up, right? So yeah, gotta get it going for the first time and see if it'll run. I know it doesn't steer, so I've got a new cable for that. But stay tuned, this should be a fun project. Let's go! Alright, first things first though, this battery's deader than friggin' Epstein, so we gotta get a charger on it before we start. Whoops. Yeah, hopefully that'll still work. Probably not. Alright. Oh, Jesus. Hot start. Saturday morning. Running rough. Down a cylinder. That's just the good parts. Alright. Now I already got the old cable out. Sitting there next to that other one. And I've ordered two of them, and I've got the wrong size twice, but now it's just a foot longer than the old one. That'll work. But I gotta chisel away all that white, I'm guessing 5200, which is like the cement of the boat world, off those bolts the previous owner did. Then we're gonna snake that steering cable up along through under here, up under the dash to that wheel. All right, this is gonna be fun. Of course, I picked a 90-degree freaking day to do it. Not many of those in Maine, but let's see how it goes. All right, now the easiest way is let me feed this down from the steering wheel side. All right, I gotta find the hole. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna work smarter, not harder, and just put this short run up through there and over. Jesus. Smacked you guys. Up in here somewhere. Oh, hello. Oh, a rope breeze. Success. Alright. Now I get this fucker up in there. We're gonna get that cable out through that rigging grommet so it comes out right there. Ow. Just a flesh wound. Ramming speed. Just turtle heading. Oh no. Pull the whole grommet with it. Like a glove. All bunched up. Alright. That extra foot may or may not screw me later, but oh well, I've never had too much length. Alright, now gotta pull the engine to get that into there, because the angle of the dangle won't quite allow it. Let's get that thing unbolted. There's that contraption. Let's just drag down this way. Oh, it's a gas pump. Freaking gas pump. Someone ran it over. God, this chesty makes my boobs stick out. Crazy. Yeah, I'm using adjustable. Judge me all you want. I don't care. What a pitiful fucking air gun. First time getting to use the big red engine hoist here. Only been sitting out front for a month. Gotta call on the old lady. Hi.
What's up?
How you doing?
Awesome.
Will you come help me real quick, please?
Sure.
Thanks. Oh, here she comes, save the day. That one. I tell you, hit the trigger on it, okay? What? You got it, babe. Okay. Hold it. Alright, can you go over the other side? We're gonna do the same thing. No, I can get it from there, thanks. Alright, do the same thing.
What?
Do the same thing. She's almost free, boys and girls. Another 2 pumps. Jesus. She's free. She's hanging. When doing any sort of steering like this on a boat, you want to liberally apply some good marine waterproof grease of some sort to it. You'll thank me later when you go to take it off. It's been in salt water, especially. This stuff is not forgiving. Oh, shit. Freaking right. Yeah. Also, pretty darn good idea to run a Jesus in your garage. Holy moly. Good idea to run a stainless brush like this up in that steering tube, get any sort of grit and crap out of there. buddy. Alright. Oh, that's Rima. Rima, hold it up. Oh my goodness, look at the chunder bunnies on that. I realized I never stated how I got this into there. When I had it hanging off the chain fall from the flywheel and away from the boat, I threaded that through after greasing it like I talked about, all the way through until it came out. Tighten this up with adjustable. Bolting her back up. Some silicone on these puppies, a life cock. Not 5200. Someone that wrench is on. Can you hold that wrench for me, please? Tell me when you're ready. It's a good parking spot. All right. Got this thing back on. I'll bolt it up, drop her down off the hoist. Yeah. And I got this jack, like I said, a few weeks ago. First time I got to use it. Very much worth. Give it a good. Oh, but this other one's moving. Don't judge me. Just give it a little snug. Oh, the whole tube's moving. Go hold this end. The big end. Oh. There. Snug. These in the shade. Leaving that stuff in the heat makes it not fun to handle. Anyone that lives in Florida can tell you that. Alright, pull this out. Got nasty grease. Now, rule of thumb is this connection should have a lock washer on both sides of it. Oh, not big enough, of course. Angle that where you need it. Loosen that. Like that. Give it a good tighten and back it off, quarter of a turn. Then we're going to straighten this up. That's fairly straight. Alright, we're going to grab a 7/16. We're gonna hook the helm back up. Keep your stuff organized, guys. I can tell you from experience. Being all over the place. This is my mobile bag when I go out and do repairs on the road. And quite frankly, it's the biggest pain in the ass ever trying to find anything in it after I've done a couple things, because yeah, it's a mess. And we can't find what you need half the time. Alright, wheel straight, engine straight. Now we're gonna hook that back onto the helm. Holy crap, this boat has gotten hot in the last couple hours. Being out here. This little piece is what lines up on the teeth of the actual helm itself. So we're gonna take this. Hold on, I'll pull a little bit of that. Put that in there. And you'll see it will drop down into that little groove. And you just gotta line your bolts up. Let's see, steering wheel is moving that. You just, oh, we're gonna get out of center here if I do that. There. Now I'm gonna take one bolt, start it all. I got a little dab of grease on it. Like that. Start another one on the diagonal corner. Ow. Let's tighten those bad layers down. You want to make sure that the teeth on your helm line up with that rack. Because if not, it'll bind when it goes together. Holy moly. Motor turns. Almost like we know what we're doing. Yeah. It's a winner. Alright. We got that steering now. Now we just gotta put some new gas to it. Get this battery charged up and fired up and hit the lake. Also, I noticed once I got the steering in that someone had put the tie bar in the wrong hole. You gotta put them in the inside hole. This one's for if you had that stupid cable steering. It's wicked sketchy, you got one on each side. No. With it here, you actually have full turning range. When it was here, it limited it because the angle, you know, went from a triangle, from straight to a triangle. So, yeah, make sure that's in the back hole to there. Now it's good. Alright, put a helmet on for crying out loud. Alright, let's start this thing. False alarm. Nothing. Okay. So this booster pack ain't worth the velvet paint of a whale and a dolphin getting it on. Wow, tune in next week as I struggle with the booster pack some more. thing is junk. Tell you what, this little mini thing, it's the best booster pack I've ever had. It's got these tiny little alligator clips. You can get it wherever.